That fan looks like Jesus. Hi guys, I'm Melissa. Like, yeah, I just like read YouTube account. Like, it's exploring around, but yeah, I like really crazy shit on today. But yeah, okay, so we're gonna talk about this girl does not know how to burp. Dude, she tries to burp and she gags herself. I mean, what person cannot burp? So just now, there was a thing in her chest. It was like, bleh. I was like, you burped? She goes, no, that was my chest. I was like, really? But yeah. Well, I'm just gonna tell about me. I can sing. Well, I have a broken hand right now, a wrist. Okay, I fell in the sewer. And yeah, I didn't fall in the sewer. I just my arm fell in the sewer. But yeah, she's really. Yeah. But yeah. She keeps sitting in my cast. She's so nice, right? Yeah. There's something to talk about. Request some songs so I can sing some songs for you guys. Yeah, my best friend. Really bored. She thinks she can go to sleep, but I'm trying to keep her up. So I'm trying to make her talk, but she won't talk. So, but she can go to her other friends and make a talk show. Have all this fun, but yeah, it doesn't really matter. Yeah. I like my eyeshadow. It's so pretty. I've never worn eyeshadow before. Well, I have, but I don't really wear it often. But yeah, I think it's funny how just people post random things on Facebook, right, Melissa? It's so funny. Talk! I'm about to move your lips. See? Let's do it again.